Tabuk City Newsbreak. Sa pagdiriwang ng buwan ng kababaihan, nagbigay ng isang pagsasanay sa graphics design ang Department of Communications and Technology Office Kalinga o DICT Kalinga. Kasama ang Tech for Ed Center ng Tabuk City Communications and Technology Office. Ayon kay DICT Kalinga Cybersecurity Focal Person Lawrence Aquino, ang nasabing pagsasanay ay bilang suporta sa mga kababaihan upang mabigyan sila ng dagdag karunungan na maaari lang gamitin bilang pangkabuhayan o makakuha ng dagdag kita.
Nag-initiative po tayo na magpa-training ng graphics design for women. Alam naman natin mga women ngayon, conscious sila sa their appearance and sometimes they have this creative minded. So in order to nurture that kind of skill, we need to equip them on graphics design, especially on designing area, kung saan matutunan nila kung ano ba yung tamang gawin when it comes on proper designing. Kung hindi lang yun, pwede nila hindi pagkakitaan yung skill na pwede nila matutunan here in this training.
Anya sa pagkakataong ito, ang pagsasanay ay ibibigay bilang upgrading sa basic knowledge nila sa graphic design.
So, ang training na ito, tatalakayan niya is the basic concepts of graphic designs, the do's and don'ts, and specifically will equip them on how to use the professional tool which is Photoshop. So, this one, ng tool na ito is mostly ginagamit siya ng lahat ng mga tao na in the professional world of designing. So, there are other tools naman, pero this is the premier or the professional equipment to use. So, yun po yung tatalakay natin. And somewhat, we'll also give them certificates po for the acknowledgement in their work and participation in our training. Bibigay po na sana natin is 15 na target. So, 15 women that we handpick na pwedeng mag-attend sa atin since na the training is quite basic to advanced level. Kasi when it comes to Photoshop, let's say na hindi siya pwedeng or hindi siya ganun kadali na aralin in just a span of for example, our timeline of 2 days. However, since ang benefit doon, nagkaroon tayo ng maliit or 15 na katao lamang, para at least mabigyan natin o matutukan natin sila.
Anya, nagbigay rin sila ng iba pang pagsasanay depende sa pangangailangan base sa request o proposal ng mga nangangailangan.
Pwede na natin ulitin as long as there are interested participants. Pwede naman po ang office namin, the ICT, when it comes to conducting training. So magre-request lang po sila sa amin and then titingnan natin po kung kaya po natin silang i-accommodate. And then doon po tayo mag-negotiate kung ano po yung pwede nating i-handle na topics when it comes to ICT-related trainings. Meron po tayong darating na training for March 19. Ayun. So that would be creating your own website using WordPress. So via Zoom naman po siya. Every month meron po tayong kinakanta.
At yan ang balita para sa oras na ito. Hatid sa inyo ng City Public Information Office. Ako po, si Reddy Retotal. Tabuk City Newsbreak.